Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Jason. You're tuned into I Speak Geek. So today I got the iPhone 13 Pro Max in front of me. I'm just gonna go ahead and get it unboxed and let you guys see how it is and give you my first impressions. Without further ado, let's get this unboxed. Of course, with no charging brick in the box. Of course, you have a thinner box here. Sticker, documentation, of course, USB-C to lightning cable. Let's get this device turned on, see if there's any juice. Animation is new. I know last year's model didn't do that when you first turned it on. And, you know, of course I got those two phones together. Almost the same size. You could tell by looking at the 13 Pro, it's a little bit thicker. So let me go ahead and get this set up. So now that I got the phone set up, it's noticeably different when you look at the screen. For those of you coming from an older phone, you're going to notice how sharp it is with the 120 hertz refresh rate. I came from the 12 Pro Max, and I can tell the difference right away. It's very sharp, and that's something I noticed about the screen also, as well as the camera. This year is all new with that new ultra wide, and I can definitely tell the difference from last year's model. And there's also a bigger battery on board this year. So Apple's saying you should get 2 hours more on the Pro Max models and 1.5, I believe, an hour on the Pro model. So I am excited to play around with this a little bit more, and stay tuned for my in-depth review on the 13 Pro Max. So guys, thank you for watching. This is Jason. You just tuned into I Speak Geek. Later. Peace.